Hello friends and welcome back to Jackpot Nay. Today we have an exciting session of bonuses on Lightning Dollar Link, Huff and More Puff, and finishing it off with a savage hit on Conan. I hope you enjoy these bonuses as much as I did playing them. Please remember to like and subscribe. Alright, we are on Lightning Dollar Link, 25-cent denom, and we have got a minimum bet. Free spins bonus. Let's have some fun. Line it up. Alright, we need re-triggers. The Kung Fu Master. Come on, there we go. Hoping we get two more. That would have been a nice payout. That's okay. Alright, super exciting. We have got the wheel feature, and it is on the 5-cent denom, 12.50 max bet. Hopefully we can get lots of stuff going on, and we are able to hit that major. Not bad. Couple of backup spins. Alright, we'll be back at the next one. Alright, we went back to the 10-cent denom. We are at a $5 bet. Got the free hat game. Alright, let's get some re-triggers with lots of hats. Got one wood now. Oh, come on. Come on, two more. There we go. Ooh, that was way more than two more. Okay, so on this one, I think it should just give you the full 6. I'm just saying. But I'll take a gold. Let's do that again. Come on. Hats. No, come on. Hats, 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 hats. Oh, there we go. Like it. That last row again. Come on, hats, hats. All right, one more. Okay. Come on, yes. We got some gold in the front too, and we filled in those spots. We only have 2 empty spots. Come on, 3 hats. Huh? Now we only have 1 empty spot. All right. It's not bad. Let's do something fun and exciting, my friend. Well, we didn't have any that were less than our bet, so that's a good sign. The wood gives us some points. We'll get 3 coins, and 1 is a major and 1's a grand. Let's do it. Major. All right, not a major, but we will totally take this. It's kind of why I like the 10-cent denom, $5 bet. I mean, a max bet on pennies is $7.50 on this game, and don't have the odds of getting those minis at 100 because they're only $10, so that just works out better for me. Alright, we are on Kung Fu Master on Lightning Dollar Link, and we just got the free game bonus. see what we can do. We need 6 orbs or 3 Kung Fu Masters to re-trigger those guys. Jackpots we're working with. Alright, come on. Fill it in with some words. Ooh, I saw that triple mini. Come on. Save it. Oh no, save it. Save it. Save it. Alright. Come on, let's get some words. Words. Come on, words. Words. Save it. Alright, words, words. Love to see some big words. Come on. Come on. Let's go. There we go. All right. Come on. Let's get a chance at it. Come on. Fill it in. Fill it in. One more shot. Let's save it. Save it. Save it. Not bad. We'll take it. We still got 2 more spins. Hopefully that'll do it again. Come on, 4 more. Come on. Let's do it. Re-triggered. Oh, and they were right there too. Alright, so we are on Conan at max bet. And I feel like this is the hardest bonus to ever get. But we got it. 3 games, here we go. Let's let Conan be impressive. Need 3 of those Conans to get a re-trigger. Oh my. Yeah. Oh wow. More.
Conan!
Oh, come on. Are you kidding? Wow. More money. Oh yeah, there we go. More money. Oh, this is amazing. Let's get a big multiplier. 25 times. 25 times. I mean, I'll take $1,000 too. Come on, 25 times. 7's good. No, don't go to 2. Keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh, it did me dirty with the other one. Dirty. Come on. I don't even know where the free spins are. Like, I can't tell how many we got left. I assume we're done. I don't know where it was. Alright. That was decent. I feel like it could have been way, way better.
Savage wins.